Welcome to the Gonzo book. I am Jose. Shelly is still in the hospital. Maybe tomorrow, guys. Maybe tomorrow she'll be back home. She is definitely getting better, but they're still trying to work out a few things. So, I'm here. I'm only here because I got a package. I got another package from the Cubicle.com.
Let's see what I got.
All right.
A pyramid, a
Let's check it out.
A 2x2, another 3x3, a 4x4, a very good looking 5x5, another cube mat, a smart cube, and many more 3x3. I got an illness, it's my business, it's a sickness, someone call Guinness, look at my quickness.
Alrighty then.
I need a witness.
Alright, so I got some more of my Tots for Tots cubes that I got. Let's see how much I got. I got a few, and they put 2 packages in one box, which is fine. I don't care if they do that. So I have to count how many. I forgot. Another card from the Cubicle.com. Yep, 5 and 2. That's what I thought. So I got 6, 7. I got 7 of those right here. So I'll make sure I put all the information right here in case you're interested. And let me get my box out. I have the gang Square One coming, and I bought 4 more of those in that package, but they're not going to ship those until they actually ship out the item that's on back order. So I got 7 plus I got another 5, so that's 11. So if I remember right, I got 39, so now I got 46. 46. I got 24 on one and almost 24 on another one. They fit on those boxes perfectly, which is good. So I got 46 of those, and these are going to the Tours of Tots box at the VA in December sometime. So definitely do a video on that. All right. Here's my FTO box. Looks like it was open a little bit. Let's check it out. Ooh. It was. Let's see if I got to use one tonight. FTO B11. So it came with a nice little card. It's cool. Yeah, I like that card. Alright, here we go. It's a big one. Look how huge that is. That is awesome. Let me see how big that is compared to the rest of them. It is huge, guys. Alright, this definitely, it's tiled. That's cool. I like that. Type surface. I don't know if you can see that right there, maybe. This needs some lube. This is definitely 3D printed. Oh yeah! This came from, what is that? ZePuzzles? Not ZePuzzles. That's something different. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna look it up. That's a guy that makes his own cube, puzzles. And he just got picked up by the Cubicle to sell stuff. And he was at the Cubicle booth down at the at NAC 2026. I just forget his name. He was just recently interviewed by Tingman Live. ZePuzzles. Yes, ZePuzzles, and he makes his own. And let me click on ZePuzzles. Let's just see. Yeah, he makes his own puzzles by 3D printing them. Like he makes like big ones. Like, ooh, this thing is heavy. How heavy is this thing? This thing is heavy as heck. Well, at least it's not heavy, but yeah, you know what? It is heavy. Let's see how heavy is it. All right, so I got this one. The one with the purple logo. I forget exactly the name. What was it called? Neo, I think. QB Neo. And let's see how much that weighs. This is light. 90? I didn't think it weighed more than that, but yes, it's 90 exactly. 90 grams. This. All right, that's 381.6 grams. All right. The only color difference I see is that's light blue. And you know what? Good idea, because the dark blue and the gray kind of look alike. So yeah, I like the light blue. That was a good choice. Let's see if it has the same color scheme. I hope so. Yes, same color scheme. I was glad it didn't have the color scheme of like the Land. I think that one's outdated. Alright, here. It turns okay for a big cube. And the more you turn, it's probably going to wear down the pieces a little bit. Yeah. It's really nicely done. He must have he has a very nice 3D printing machine. Don't know what he has, but if he's going to make puzzles like this, he probably has one that can print them out pretty good. Whoa, that is so nice. This one's definitely going to be displayed, but I'm going to lube it right now. I'm going to show you. That's my lube box, in case you don't know. DNM 37. So I'm just going to use the rest of this stuff. Future's bright, the future's clear. FTO is finally here. FTO, everybody let the whole world know. Turn it fast, let the good times flow. FTO, high lube white. Alright, done with that. Put everything back. Nice little carrying case. I think that's a little better, but not, not noticeable. Oh yeah, that's definitely, still makes a funny noise, but I'm not really going to saw with this. But I like the way it looks, really nicely done. Look how nice that looks though. And if you have a party, this would be good. Any big cubes are always good at parties. Look at that thing. Awesome. Compared to my QB toy one tile, the one I use for my training aids, my FTO training aids. Look at that. It is only 2 triangle in length. This is a whole triangle bigger. Look at that. So, whoa, look at that. It's awesome. I just wouldn't take this to cube competition, but you get it if you want. It's probably legal. But I like it. It looks nice. It's going to be nice and on display. Alright, I got another thing that I have in that box. It is, I bought another Swift Block special edition from the Cubicle Pro Shop. I love this thing so much, I got another one. I don't want to open it, but I will. If I get another one, then I'll definitely put another one on the side. This is $24.99 or $23.99, if I'm not mistaken, for the regular Swift Block, for the regular one. If you get it altered by the Cubicle, it is $30 more. And the reason for that is they take it apart. I don't know exactly what they do, but I think they take it apart, put a ball core in there, crap load of magnets. I think it's 20, if I'm not mistaken. And they put it together and they have their special edition. And it takes a lot of man hours. And I understand, because when I make my Gonzo Dodeca, it's on the regular $13.99 or $12.99 QB Megamix sticker. But I put a lot of man hours on there to put all the nibs on there, take out some of the stickers, and then I got to print them out and put them on. And I took 3 sides out. This one's black, but it has sticker on there. Yep. And mirror and mirror. So it takes time. That's why if you go to my SD store, you're going to see that it's a little. You're going to say, "Oh, that's expensive," but it's mainly for like a showpiece. That is why it's so expensive. So I understand why this is $30 more. but it is awesome. I love this cube better than, in my opinion, better than the Furry Core. It's almost the same, and I think, but I like this one better. So, you know, it is what it is. So, I'm going to take this out. I wasn't going to take it out, but I was like, no, I want at least two. And I like these two. I like the regular Swift block. I really do. That's why when they did this, I was like, oh yeah, let me try that out. They take the original Swift block cap, but they give it right back to you. Oh yeah. Good job, guys. Nice. Yeah. I like how it feels. I really do. Yeah. So I got two of them now. I might have to get a third one. Nice. So that is all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you're interested in any of these puzzles to purchase at thecubicle.com, use discount code Gonzo, or use discount code Tigman, or use discount code Cubehead. It does not matter. It's all 5%. And my 5% is not lower than somebody else's 5%. 5% is 5%. But it depends who you want to support. All right, I'm talking too much. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Another lesson, another smile, one turn at a time. FTO.